Hello students, we are going to start the chapter number 8 of civics, that is media, a pillar of democracy. Let's understand what is the role of media in a democracy. As you all know, what is media? All the informations that we gather to know is from media. Media is in our social lives. The social media has very influence in our day-to-day life. So let's understand what media plays a role in a democracy and in our lives. Media is an integral part of our lives. It is a term which collectively refers to television, newspaper, radio, internet, and many other forms of communication. Media is divided into two types, that is the social media and mass media. So let's understand what is social media. Social media refers to a computer mediated tools that allow people to create, share or exchange information, ideas, etc. There are some social networking sites that we use in our day-to-day life. Next is mass media. Media is the plural form of the word medium, which means mode. In the other words, it refers to the different ways in which we communicate in society. Since it refers to the forms of communication, everything from a small news item in the paper to the elaborate news in the TV, all can be called media. TV, newspaper and radio are a form of media. Since this media reaches millions of peoples across the globe, and this is called mass media. Media has strong links with technology, money and democracy. Media and technology. Newspaper, television and radio are able to reach millions of people because of the use of technology. The technology that is used by mass media keeps changing. A recent phenomenon in the field of media is cable television and the internet, and these have been there for the last 2 decades. Types of media. Media can be broadly classified into two types, that is, the electronic media and print media. The names print media and electronic media depends on the different technologies these medias use. Let's see the example of both. Electronic media includes telephone, radio and mobile phone, whereas print media includes newspaper, books, magazines, journals, etc. Let's understand the role of media in a democracy. It is said that media plays the role of a watchdog in a democracy. It provides information about the policies of the government to the citizens. It also acts as a link between the government and the peoples. The policies of the government are explained to the peoples through various mass media such as newspapers and channels. The people can understand these policies and decide if they are good or bad for them. However, it is the responsibility of the media to disseminate a balanced information which has not been. Shaping public opinion. Media has been correctly called the pillar of democracy. The smooth and efficient working of a democracy depends on the active public participation in the working of democratic institutions. People participate directly in the elections by voting for the candidate of their choice, and they take part in the government indirectly by taking interest in the activities of government. People should be able to form negative or positive opinion about the work done by their elected representatives. Media plays a crucial role in the making the news available to people, which makes it easier for common people. Next is setting the agenda. Setting the agenda means deciding what is newsworthy. The breaking news on television programs and the headlines in newspaper of engraved. The maximum attention of viewers and readers, people give more attention to the news stories which are focused on. It is the duty of the media to focus on news which is important and not on issues of little importance. The next topic is independent media. Let's understand it by the two subtopics. Balanced report. It is the coverage of an issue or an event in a fair and objective manner. The duty of the media is to report and not to pass any judgments. It must allow the people to form opinions on their own. If a news report is biased, then it cannot be called a balanced report. The report must present and discuss all the points of views and leave it for the readers to decide his opinion. Paid news. When an influential person or an organization tries to pay for the news which paints them in a good picture or hides certain facts, then it is called a paid news. This is unethical way of influencing the opinion of the people. This has come under widespread criticism from institutions like the Election Commission of India and the courts, because paid news can sway the public in favor of the corrupt and undeserving candidates during an election.